I'll try to check with this heel height, because finally I'm going to use this heel height, right? So I'm going to use it. So how much it is? It is almost sorry. It's 10 to 15 degree. 15 degree plantar flexion here. See? So I can make it from here. I can make it 15 degrees. So I goes this line is bit upward, isn't it? Isn't it? This line is bit upward. So I'll try to make it. Can you give me your measurement here? I'll make these both lines parallel. I'll just transfer this posterior line anteriorly. Okay. By making it. Huh? So now I can make it 10 degrees, isn't it?
Can you pass here this? Yeah.
Difficult actually. It's also possible, right? It's 15 degrees, isn't it? There, I'm putting on line. There also, we see from the average. I'm going because with this smaller part is difficult. So this is the area I'm going to cut. Okay.
And what you did with goniometer?
How much I should cut that, because with this actually with the goniometer what we do, we check with this line, right? But here I have very smaller lever, isn't it? Very smaller base, so that's why you see I need 15 degree, so I'm making it 15 degree, and then from this apex I just mark it here. Have you got it?
Mom, how?
I need 15 degree. Okay, so here I make it first the goniometer in 15 degree, then I match with this apex. Now you see here.
Yes, miss. Oh,
How much I got? Okay. So far. Now it's time to cut. So for cutting, I should cut till this level. Okay, because it should be completely cutting.
Except the axis, no?
Yeah, axis. We should keep.
degree
Correction.
এখান থেকে জিনিস
ম্যাম এটা এই দুইটার
Apex point. Yeah, from the apex point.
মিড লাইন থেকে 15 ডিগ্রি
Yeah, 15 degree.
and then the another line
I take
Both
first
sides.
horizontal line, right? Horizontal. I transfer this line anteriorly, and then
And
from
then
here
50 degree.
15 degree. So now it's time for cutting.
Sometimes you use oscillating cutter, it's much easy.
It's yeah, if it's like thickness is more.
You just give it straight.
কত ডিগ্রি প্ল্যান কত ডিগ্রি প্ল্যান
More. It's hard. Actually,
We'll discuss. Prepare the. There is a bowl.
don't touch
You
it.
need support.
I don't want to cut your hand.
Don't require for this. Everything is ready. Just make the first.
The blade is
So it is the demo camera.
maybe change the
No, it's
Not
new
very
blade,
small.
but it's
We have all here.
actually
the cast is very
if it's castectomy, it's always better to do on that day when the cast is already wet. But if it is like 2-3 days late, it will be very hard and it will be very difficult. That's the problem. Be very careful, okay? Cutting is and this knife also.
Very bad knife. Keep quality.
Yeah, seriously,
আমাদের একটা
it's going inside.
you want to try this নতুন এটা ইয়া নাকশাটা ব্লেডটা চেঞ্জ করে
I don't know why it's not.
last is the cast is 5 days old.
বাজে
We'll cut this way. It's up to here, no? This line? No, the blade. It will be fine. Just I need any blade.
There.
There is a lot of layers. How many bandages you used, Safin?
2 bandages were used.
And it's become hard now, so
The cast is almost 5 days old.
yeah. This much? Yeah, explain. Feel like 10 layers.